Hey there, everybody! Christmas is just around the corner, and you know what that means? It's time to get into the holiday spirit and start preparing for the most wonderful time of the year. And you know what that means? It's time to deck the halls with Christmas lights. There's nothing quite like the joy and excitement that comes with transforming your home into a winter wonderland. Time to deck the halls with Christmas lights. Whether you're a fan of the classic white lights or you prefer a more colorful display, there's something magical about seeing your home lit up for the holidays.
There's just something so magical about twinkling lights that makes the holidays extra special. The way they shimmer and shine, casting a warm glow over everything, it's like stepping into a fairy tale. It's like sprinkling a little bit of pixie dust over your home. Each light adds a touch of enchantment, turning ordinary spaces into something truly extraordinary. Imagine this. It's a chilly evening, snow is falling softly, and your home is glowing with warm, inviting light. The soft glow of the lights reflecting off the snow creates a scene straight out of a holiday card. That's the magic we're talking about. It's a feeling of warmth, joy, and togetherness that only comes around once a year.
And the best part? Creating that magical ambiance is easier than you think. With a little bit of planning and some creativity, you can turn your home into a festive wonderland that will delight everyone who sees it. Whether you prefer a classic, elegant look or something fun and whimsical, the possibilities are endless. You can mix and match different styles to create a display that's uniquely yours. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From choosing the right lights to arranging them perfectly, we've got all the tips and tricks you need to make your holiday decorating a breeze.
So grab your Santa hats, gather your family, and get ready to make some memories. Decorating for the holidays is a tradition that brings people together and creates lasting memories. Put on some Christmas tunes, let the music fill your home with joy, and let the decorating begin. There's nothing like the sound of holiday music to get everyone in the festive spirit. And let's get started on creating a holiday light display that'll make your home the envy of the neighborhood. With a little bit of effort and a lot of holiday cheer, you can create a display that will bring joy to everyone who sees it. So let's get started and make this holiday season the brightest one yet. Now, before you go all Clark Griswold and cover your house in lights, let's talk planning. Planning is the key to a successful and stress-free holiday decorating experience. Without a plan, you might find yourself overwhelmed, tangled in lights, and frustrated. But with a little foresight, you can create a dazzling display that will be the envy of the neighborhood. Just like any good home renovation project, a little planning goes a long way in making sure your Christmas lights look amazing. Start by envisioning your final display. Do you want a classic look with white lights, or a colorful, whimsical wonderland? Sketch out your ideas and make a list of the areas you want to decorate, such as the roofline, windows, trees, and pathways.
First things first, measure. Measuring is crucial to ensure you have enough lights to cover each area without running short or having too much excess. Grab your measuring tape and figure out how much length you'll need for each area you want to decorate. Measure the height and width of windows, the length of roof lines, and the circumference of trees. Write down these measurements and take them with you when you shop for lights. This will save you from those frustrating trips back to the store for just one more strand. Plus, it helps you avoid the dreaded tangled mess of lights. When you know exactly how much you need, you can organize your lights more efficiently and avoid the hassle of untangling knots.
Next, let's talk lights. The type of lights you choose can make a big difference in the overall look and feel of your display. You've got two main choices, incandescent or LED. Incandescent lights have been around for decades and are known for their warm, inviting glow. They are perfect for creating a nostalgic, traditional Christmas atmosphere. Incandescent bulbs give you that warm, traditional glow, which many people love for its classic charm, while LEDs are energy efficient and last longer. LED lights come in a variety of colors and styles, and they use significantly less electricity than incandescent bulbs. This makes them a great choice for those who want to save on their energy bill and reduce their environmental impact. Both are great options, so it really comes down to personal preference. Consider the look you want to achieve and the benefits of each type of light. You might even decide to mix and match, using incandescent lights for a cozy indoor setting and LEDs for a vibrant outdoor display.
And don't forget to check those labels. Labels provide important information about the lights, such as whether they are suitable for indoor or outdoor use, their energy consumption, and safety ratings. Make sure you're using lights that are rated for indoor or outdoor use, depending on where you're decorating. Safety first, folks. Using the right lights for the right setting will ensure your display is not only beautiful, but also safe for everyone to enjoy. Happy decorating!
All right, let's bring that Christmas cheer indoors. The Christmas tree is usually the star of the show, so let's start there.
When it comes to hanging lights on your tree, we like to start at the top and work our way down, weaving the lights in and out of the branches. To keep those lights secure, use those handy little green floral wire ties. They're a lifesaver. Just twist them around the branches and lights to keep everything in place.
Don't stop at the tree. Add some sparkle to your mantle with a string of lights or drape them around doorways and windows for a touch of magic. You can even use them to highlight your favorite decorations. Now, let's take the Christmas cheer outside. When it comes to outdoor lights, durability is key. Make sure you're using lights that are specifically designed for outdoor use. These lights are built to withstand the elements and keep shining bright all season long.
For attaching lights to your roofline, we recommend using plastic light clips. They're easy to install and won't damage your shingles. Simply clip them onto your gutters or eaves and you're good to go.
Want to add some extra wow factor? Wrap your trees and bushes in lights. Start at the base of the trunk and spiral upwards, spacing the lights evenly as you go. You can even add some net lights to bushes for a quick and easy way to add some sparkle. Hold your horses. Before you plug in those lights and flip the switch, let's talk safety.
Christmas lights are a joy to behold, but it's important to use them safely to prevent any mishaps.
First and foremost, always use outdoor-rated extension cords when you're decorating outside. These cords are designed to withstand moisture and temperature changes, making them much safer for outdoor use.
Before you hang your lights, give them a good once-over. Check for any frayed wires, broken bulbs, or loose connections. And remember, don't overload your outlets. Too many lights on one circuit can be a fire hazard.
Section 6. Troubleshooting. Keep the lights shining. Okay, so you've got your lights up, but something's not quite right. Don't panic. We've all been there. It's a common issue during the holiday season. You spend hours decorating, only to find that your lights aren't working as they should. But don't worry, we're here to help you troubleshoot and get those lights shining bright again. One of the most common problems is a string of lights that won't light up. This can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're eager to see your hard work pay off. But before you start taking everything down, let's go through some simple steps to identify and fix the issue. Usually, it's just a single bulb that's causing the issue. A single faulty bulb can disrupt the entire string, making it seem like a bigger problem than it actually is.
Start by checking each bulb to see if it's loose or burnt out. Gently wiggle each bulb to ensure it's properly seated in its socket. Sometimes a bulb can become loose during storage or installation, causing the entire string to malfunction. If you find a bad bulb, replace it and see if that does the trick. Make sure to use the correct type of replacement bulb, as using the wrong one can cause further issues. Once replaced, plug the lights back in and see if they work. Another common culprit is a blown fuse. Fuses are designed to protect your lights from power surges, but they can sometimes blow, cutting off power to your lights. Check your fuse box or circuit breaker to see if any fuses have tripped. This is a simple check that can save you a lot of time and frustration. If you find a tripped fuse, it could be the reason your lights aren't working. If so, replace the fuse or reset the breaker. Make sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions when replacing fuses to avoid any potential hazards. Once done, test your lights again to see if the issue is resolved. If you're still having trouble, it's best to call in a qualified electrician to take a look. Electrical issues can sometimes be more complex than they appear, and a professional can help ensure your lights are safe and functioning properly.
Remember, safety first. It's important to prioritize safety when dealing with electrical decorations. Always follow the manufacturer's guidelines and never take shortcuts. Always unplug your lights before working on them. This simple step can prevent electrical shocks and other accidents, and never try to fix them while they're still plugged in. Electrical safety is crucial, especially during the holiday season when decorations are abundant. By following these tips, you can ensure a safe and festive environment for you and your loved ones. Section 7. Adding some extra flair. Now that your lights are up and shining bright, it's time to add some extra flair. This is where you can really let your creativity shine.
Consider adding some festive inflatables like Santa and his reindeer or a giant snowman. They're sure to bring a smile to everyone's face. And don't forget about those classic Christmas decorations. Hang some wreaths on your windows, place some poinsettias on your porch, and maybe even add a festive doormat to welcome guests.
It's all about those little touches that make your display unique and special. So, go ahead and have fun with it.
Section 8. The big reveal. Enjoy the magic. Alright folks, it's time for the big reveal. Step back, admire your handiwork, and bask in the warm glow of your Christmas lights. There's nothing quite like seeing your home all decked out for the holidays.
Invite your friends and family over to enjoy the festive ambiance. Serve some hot cocoa and Christmas cookies, put on some holiday music, and create memories that will last a lifetime.
Remember, the true magic of Christmas lies in spending time with loved ones and creating cherished memories. So relax, enjoy the season, and let your Christmas lights light up your heart with joy.
Section 9. Conclusion, merry and bright. Well, there you have it, folks. Our guide to creating a magical Christmas light display that will make your home the envy of the neighborhood.
Remember, it's all about having fun and letting your creativity shine. So grab your lights, get creative, and let's make this Christmas the brightest one yet.
From our family to yours, we wish you a very Merry Christmas and a happy, healthy, and sparkling New Year.